Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open a ghost detector. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Most ghost detectors have a battery compartment or an access panel on the back or bottom. You'll typically need a small Phillips head screwdriver, often a size 0 or 1, to remove any retaining screws. Once the screws are out, carefully use a plastic prying tool to separate the casing halves without damaging the internal circuitry. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. A small Phillips head screwdriver, usually a size 0 or 1, is crucial for most devices. A plastic prying tool, like those used for phone repairs or even a guitar pick, will help you gently separate the casing without leaving marks. Always work on a clean, well-lit surface to prevent losing tiny screws and to clearly see the internal components. Remember to power down the device completely. Let's walk through the disassembly. Begin by removing all visible screws from the back or bottom panel. Place these screws in a small container so they don't get lost. Next, insert your plastic prying tool into a seam between the two halves of the casing. Gently twist and slide the tool along the perimeter to release any internal clips. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent breaking the plastic tabs. Once the casing is open, you'll have access to the internal components, such as the circuit board, battery, and sensors. Be mindful not to touch any sensitive parts directly with your fingers to avoid static discharge. When you're ready to reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Align the casing halves carefully, ensuring all clips engage, and then replace and tighten all the screws. Double-check that the device powers on correctly afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.